Welcome to the WordPress Web Design Training. My name is Celestine Davids. I am your instructor, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make different kinds of websites without coding using WordPress, and also to show you how to make your first $1,000 building simple websites without coding. What are the benefits of joining this training? Number one, you're going to master WordPress Web Design. Two, this training is going to help you start an online business and create multiple streams of income. Lastly, you will earn a certificate after completing the training. Here are four of the projects you're going to be executing practically in this web design training. Number one, you're going to build a business website, you're going to build a blog, you're also going to create an online store and a personal portfolio. Requirements for joining this training. So the first basic requirement is good internet connection. So if data access is a luxury for you, you won't be able to cope with the training. So you need to have a good internet connection. Number two, you should have a computer for your practical project. Even though you can follow the tutorials or on your smartphone and even do most of the projects with your smartphone. But we highly recommend that you do the practical projects with your computer. But no worries, if you don't have a computer, you can use your smartphone. But you're not going to have the same experience. So we are going to be focused on WordPress. So I'm going to be showing you or teaching you how to create different kinds of websites using WordPress. Now, you may be asking, what is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system, that's a CMS, used to create websites visually without any coding. And WordPress powers 43% of all websites on the internet. This means that most of the websites you see on the internet are created using WordPress. If you do a quick search of websites that are created using WordPress, you're going to find some of the most popular websites on the internet like TechCrunch, Sony Music, and so on and so forth, including NASA. The official NASA website is created using WordPress, and there are a host of other popular websites created using WordPress, including Facebook Newsroom. So there are quite a lot of them. And there is a reason why WordPress is very popular. You know, like we said, it powers 43% of all websites on the internet. And here is why WordPress is considered a very popular web design software. Number one, it is free to use and it is open source. Number two, WordPress has a variety of themes that make web design a snap, and your website can be 100% customizable. There are thousands of WordPress themes, pre-made themes, which you can import with a single click in WordPress and design and customize your website to your liking. And it is very fast to do so without a huge learning curve. Number three, adding website content and blogs is fast and straightforward. WordPress is the website of choice for blogging. You want to create a blog, you want to add custom pages and blog posts. It is easy and straightforward with WordPress. That is one of the reasons why WordPress is very popular. Number four, there are thousands of plugins available in the WordPress repository and other third party websites, which you can use to add functionality to your WordPress website. If you want to think of adding advanced functionality to your WordPress website, there are over 60,000 plugins in the official WordPress repository. And there are also other third party websites. That's You can get plugins from to add functionalities to your WordPress website. Five, WordPress is super scalable and can grow along with your business. You can scale your WordPress website as you grow. So, last but not the least, WordPress has a massive ecosystem of experts, being very popular. And because so many people build websites using WordPress, there are a lot of resources and guides that can help you navigate or troubleshoot your website whenever you run into any issues. There are a lot of tutorials, a lot of experts writing about WordPress and creating visual content that will help you resolve almost any issues you run into. So help is always around the corner when you run into any issue building your website with WordPress. So now there are two things you require to build a website with WordPress. Number one, you need a domain. Domain is your unique website address. Example, starterhub.io, google.com, facebook.com, destinally.com. Those are examples of domains. It is a unique website address. When somebody wants to visit your website, they have to enter your web address, that's your domain on the browser. So once that is done, they can access your website. So you need a domain and you also need web hosting. So web hosting is where your web files are stored and made accessible on the internet. Without web hosting, your website will not be live on the internet. It cannot be accessed. So for being part of this training, we are giving you free 1 month web hosting for all your practical projects. We are going to be doing 4 practical projects, and we are giving you 1 month free web hosting. So you don't pay a kobo within that time, and you're going to be covering all your practical projects using our free web hosting offer. And secondly, we're also going to give you free subdomains. We've created a system that will allow you to create free subdomains so you can practically build your website on a free subdomain and add a custom domain in the future whenever you are ready. So we're going to be showing you in the next class how to create your free web hosting account on kobopress.com and how to add your subdomain and install WordPress on it. So see you in the next class.